Hey, third graders. Today we're going to be doing 3-20 and doing some of the front and the back. And today we are doing 2-digit times 1-digit. It's kind of fun. I think you're going to like it. And up at the top, we do not usually draw the models, which is where you have to draw a picture. Okay, we also don't make rectangle drawings just because you'll never have to do that on any test. So we just do the regular problem, okay, with an equation. So here we go. Whenever we have 2-digit times 1-digit, we do the 2-digit on top times, this is how we're going to write our equation, okay? So whenever we do 2-digit times 1, we go up and then we go over, okay? So I'm going to show that with an arrow just at the beginning until you get used to it. So I go up first. So I say 3 times 7. What is 3 times 7? Use your chart if you need to. Okay, hopefully you got 21. I write my 2 up here and my 1 down here. Now I did the 1 spot. Now I'm going to go this way next. I'm going to say 3 times 4. So first I did 3 times 7, now I'm doing 3 times 4. That's why we call it, we go up and then we go over. So 3 times 4, figure that out, is 12. Then whatever's on top you need to add in. So 12 plus 2 is 14. And that is my final answer, 141. Okay? Try another one. I'm going to use my white space over here because I have more room. So 70 times 5. First step is to go up. Remember, what is 5 times 0? 5 times 0 is 0. Notice I didn't have to carry a number that time, did I? Okay, now I'm going to go this way. I have 5 times 7. Count by your 5, 7 times. You should get 35. You just write 35 and you are done after you transfer your answer up here. Okay, so I'm going up and then over. Okay, so I want you to do 2 of those on your own as well. Up and over. If it helps you to do the arrows, you can do that as well. Okay, so I go up. Then I go over. And if you have any numbers up on top, you need to add those in, okay? Like on this one over here, I have 2 times 9 is 18. I put my 1 up here and my 8 down here. And then I'm going to do my next one, 2 times 8, and then I'm going to add in the number that's on top, okay? All right, and then they're going to give us some story problems that also have the 2-digit times 1-digit, okay? A baker fills 36 boxes with muffins. Each box has 6 muffins. So I'm going to do 36 times 6. And remember to do your up and then your over, right? 6 times 6. And then on the next one down here, students from Brookside School are going on a field trip. They ride on 7 buses. There are 48 students on each bus. So 48 times 7. Use your multiplication chart if you need to, okay? First thing I do is I go up, then I go this way, okay? And finish those up and then meet me on the back side. All right, we are continuing on the back side, and this is our remembering side. Okay, we do not need to do any of the drawings. And so we can cross that out, and we are just going to subtract, okay? All right, just zoom in here. And remember, if it's bigger on the bottom, you need to borrow. Okay, so I'm going to pick, Mrs. Huggins is going to pick number 6 to do with you, okay? So I'm going to zoom in a little bit on that one. So 2 take away 8. It is bigger on the bottom, so I need to go next door. Borrow from the 3. If I take 1 away from 3, I have 2. When I put my 1 next to when I add a 10 to the ones, I have 12. Okay, so we're always adding 10 to whatever number is already there. Then I'm ready to subtract. 12 take away 8, 4. 2 take away 1, 1. And 6 take away 4, 2. On the bottom part, you just have 2 story problems that you are going to work on. And then stretch your thinking is extra credit. All right. Good luck, guys.